Today we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word library in English. The pronunciation guidance from the Cambridge Online Dictionary shows that this word has 3 syllables and the stress is on syllable 1. Let's break it down. Syllable 1 is the L consonant followed by the double vowel I. So together that's lie. Syllable 2 starts with the cluster br. Then there is a really weak schwa and another r sound. So together that sounds like brr. The final syllable is a little e. So if we put all the sounds back together, we have library. Repeat after me. Library. And a little quicker, library. So now you know how to pronounce library in English. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you found that useful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching and have a great day.